this editing, just open the Play Store app, click on search bar and just type photolab app and click on search. Now click on this first search result and click on install. Now click on open, tick it and click on accept and continue. Click on allow. Yes, you'll see this interface. Now click on basic effect, click on low cards option and scroll down. There are so many effects you can try. Scroll down till you see love you tune, this effect. Okay, now just click on this effect, love you tune. Click on apply to your photo. Click on allow all. Now select yours and your partner's photo. For example, I am selecting this one and this one. After selecting two photos, you will see this window. Now zoom the photo, make sure the face is visible very clearly. And second photo, again zoom the photo and make sure the face looks very clearly. And click on next, click on this arrow. And here's the result. You can swap the faces if you want, just click on tap to swap. Like this. Now just click on this apply symbol, just tick symbol, click on it, click on this close arrow, click on download and photo is saved in your gallery.